Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to update Windows 11 using Windows Installation Assistant. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, open the browser and visit Windows download page. Don't worry about the link. I'll provide the link in the description box. Here you will get an option to download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Simply click on Download Now button and open the downloaded file. Let me minimize the browser and click on Accept and Install and wait for the downloading process to complete. Once the download has been completed, it will automatically install the update. Once the update has been installed, you will get a restart window. Simply click on Restart Now and click on Close to reboot your device. So that's it. This is how you can update your Windows 11 using Installation Assistant. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.